Hey beauty baddies, welcome back to another Main Monday hair tutorial. Today we're going to be doing 2-strand twists on natural hair using Cantu's Grape Seed Strengthening Curl Activator. Now let's get into this do. So first I'm going to take my Cantu Grape Seed Curl Activator, a spray bottle, a Denman brush, a comb, and some clips. Gonna part my hair starting with the back. You don't have to do this, you can start wherever. I like to start from the back, it's easier for me. As I get my part together, you also don't have to worry about it being a straight line in the back because everything's not gonna be seen anyway. So that's why I don't really worry about the comb and the parts. So now I'm just going to section the back into two, and then I'm going to start spraying it with water, making sure that I get it very hydrated and moisturized. And then I'm going to go in with my Cantu Curl Activator and apply that generously all over my hair and make sure it really gets in there. Next, I get my Denman brush and I make sure I comb that out. Then I'm going to split my hair into two pieces and start doing my 2-strand twist all the way down to the end of my hair. After making sure the end of my hair curls up, I then like to start the process on every other section of my head. I spray the water, I add the curl activator, I use my Denman brush to gently comb that out, and then I start my 2-strand twist. This part, I'm just showing you where I decided to make my part. You can do a side part. I wanted to do a middle part. Now it is the next day and I'm taking out my 2-strand twist. I don't usually put any oil or anything like that on my hair because I don't like the way it feels, having all of that oil just weighing on my hair. So I just take my twists out and I gently try to unravel them. I like frizz in my hair sometimes, so I'm not really worried about that. If that's something that would bother you, then you should really take your time, maybe even use an oil to make sure that your curls kind of stay in place. And boom, you have a beautiful 2-strand twist out using Cantu's Grape Seed Strengthening Curl Activator. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You can also get your own curl activator in the link in the description down below. You can follow me here and also check out my beauty deals website, cartersbeautydeals.com. The link is down below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.